Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best judiciary civil services preparation in your city Ludhiana? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 4 institutes for best judiciary civil services preparation in your city Ludhiana. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Kautilya IAS Coaching. Let's discuss what the Kautilya IAS Coaching is all about. Kautilya IAS is trying to shape and mold legal career through institutionalized teaching and come up as a pioneer judiciary coaching institute in Delhi NCR. Some of their highlights includes personalized attention, current affairs magazine, weekly tests, mock test based on last year question paper, recent case law judgment classes by a separate teacher which covers all the legal aspect. Alright, now let's talk about some of their main key features. Number 1 being expert guidance. Expert faculties are available which all emphasis on subject to subject. Special guidance will also given by the law experts. Number 2, case law. Teaching methodology is based on landmark and recent case law judgment. Also, they have very small batch sizes so that in order to provide better understanding to the students. They also give you answer analysis so as to understand how to actually write an answer and initiate a better answer writing skill in yourself. One-to-one doubt clearing session will be available during or after the class for each and every student in this institution. Also, they have a judiciary week in batches which also increases the knowledge of the students regarding the subject. Moving towards our rank 2 institute, we have Plutus IAS Academy. So friends, the contact number of Plutus IAS Academy includes 8448440231 and their email ID is info@plutusias.com. Alright, now let's understand what is the Plutus IAS Academy all about, their main features and all the other details. Plutus IAS Coaching has given maximum selection in the UPSC 2019-20 examinations as well. This top-ranked IAS coaching in India has been a big relief to the aspirants across pan-India in COVID-19. Moreover friends, Plutus IAS offers the best online live interactive IAS coaching in India and hence this is one of the best civil services judiciary coaching classes in India. Also, Plutus IAS Coaching Center has delivered magnificent results consistently. Around 2,600 plus candidates has been selected via this institution for the UPSC examinations and have literally cracked that examinations. More importantly, let's talk about the other details. The address of this institution is C59 C Block Sector 2 Noida, Delhi NCR, and I've already told you their contact number. So let's directly talk about fee structure. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,40,000 plus GST and the batch size is quite small, that is 35 to 40 students in one batch. Down to our rank 3 institute, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The email ID includes info@thehinduzone.com and their contact number is 8800222298. Friends, you must visit the institution's website once definitely because this institute provides a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. You can register yourself from going to the website of this institution which is www.thehinduzone.com and get yourself registered freely for a completely free of cost counseling session. Also, their batch size is only limited to 40 students and hence you can interact with teachers and students as well and enjoy the interactive classes experience in this institution. Moreover, excellent career guidance and multiple benefits are provided with Hindu Zone. You can join them and get the access to their free courses and flagship features like small batch classes, interactive classes, etc. At the Hindu Zone, the fee ranges as per the need of the students. Multiple benefits are provided to students like an extra support mentor, free e-library access, notes of multiple flagship coaching institutes, a guide who will keep a check on your preparation and will provide you with quick tips and tricks. So I think you should definitely join and visit this institution's website once. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 4 institute, is Yojana Coaching Institute in Ludhiana. Yojana Coaching Institute is one of the most famous coaching institute in Ludhiana. Yojana also provides coaching in both English and Hindi medium. Number 2 point being, there has been a significant increase in the student count as the institute was providing quality training to the students without any hindrance. And finally, by delivering hard work and sincere efforts, Yojana Institute has been actually great in imparting education. As you already know, this coaching institute is an online IAS coaching, and their contact number includes 8595390705. The batch size includes 35 to 40 students in one batch, and their website is www.yojanaias.com. The student rating includes 4.6 stars out of 5. So friends, these were our top 4 institutes for best judiciary civil services preparation in your city, Ludhiana. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.